Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to save channel ID on RedNote apps. First things first, of course, go ahead and open up the RedNote app. And I'm going to show you what exactly you need to do. So you're probably going to be on your homepage, right? So what you're going to do is come here at the bottom right. You will see your profile icon that says me right here. Go ahead and click on that. And now you are redirected to your profile. Now, if you see right here under your name, you will see your ID. If you want to copy that, all you want to do is tap on that. And here it says copy. You see you have copied your ID to your clipboard. And if you want, for example, let's go to this follow page right here. Let's click on this person's profile. And you can easily get someone else's ID as well. You just come here right under their name. All you want to do is tap where it says their ID. Tap on that. As you can see, it has also been saved to our clipboard. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys.